students, welcome to virtual class of Municipal Corporation of Greater Mumbai Education Department. I am Mrs. Akshata Kale and today we will learn English. Come on students, let us begin our lesson. Today's subject is English of Standard First and name of the lesson is A Surprise for Grandma. Dear children, this is a story of grandparents and grandchildren. Here you can see the grandparents, that is grandma and grandpa of Sohan and Sweetie. Yes, here Sohan, Sweetie, they are going to surprise their grandma. Yes, you know the meaning of surprise because your parents give surprises to you, isn't it? They bring some valuable or some gifts for you, right? And they surprise you. At that moment, you will become very, very happy to see that surprise gift, isn't it? Like that only. Here, these grandchildren, they give a surprise for grandma. Yes, surprise means here आश्चर्यचकित करना. Right? Okay. Now we will move to our story. A surprise for grandma. Here first, listen, read and enact. Listen means you have to listen carefully. Read. You have to read the sentences. You have to read the story. Okay? And enact. Enact means do the actions. Okay? Listen, read and enact. Now, Sunday is a holiday. Sohan and Sweetie are going to visit grandma and grandpa. Yes, this is Sunday. The day was Sunday and Sohan and Sweetie are going to meet their grandma and grandpa. Okay, they came to their grandparents' home and they wish them, hello grandma, hello grandpa, like this. Okay, then grandpa said, grandma has been busy today. She has cleaned all the rooms and she has wiped all the windows. See, here you can see this grandma has cleaned all the rooms, means bedroom, hall, kitchen, study room, all rooms she swept and mopped to keep them clean. Afterwards, she wiped all the windows. Here you can see she is wiping the glass of the window, isn't it? Yes, she wanted a clean home, isn't it? And that is healthy for all. Right? So, she was busy in cleaning the house. Then Sohan said, are you tired, Grandma? He asked. Grandma, are you tired? Then let's give Grandma a rest today. Just sit and have a rest. Now, because of this, the Sohan and Sweetie, they decided to give a rest for the grandma on that day because they were there in the house, so they decided to give rest for the grandma. You can see here the grandma is sitting in the chair to take the rest, isn't it? Then grandpa called Sohan and Sweetie. Come on Sohan, come on Sweetie. And he said, we will go in the kitchen and we will work over there. We will prepare some delicious food, he said. So, Grandpa, Sohan, and Sweetie worked in the kitchen. They together they made a delicious food for the lunch. Now they were busy, right? Then these children they called their grandma. Grandma, come to the kitchen and see here, they said. Grandma accompanied these children. They all came to the table. Then Grandma saw all the delicious food, different types of food. She got surprised. She said, "Oh, soup, sandwiches and salads. What a treat." Yes, she used to like soup, sandwiches and salads. Yes, she became very happy to see all favorite dishes on the table. She said, "What a treat you gave." Then Sweetie asked, "Grandma, do you like Banana Delight?" She said, "Yes, I love it." Then what happened? Then these grandchildren gave a box to the grandma, and they said, "Now there is a surprise for you." Grandma, open this parcel, they said. She opened the parcel and saw, oh, a mobile phone. What a surprise. She became very happy to see the mobile phone inside the parcel. And she saw and she became a little disappointed. She said, "But..." Then Sohan said, "Grandma, no buts now. I know your problem. You don't know how to use this. But don't worry, we will all help you." Yes, these three people means Sweetie, Sohan and Grandpa. They said that they will help Grandma to learn about the mobile. That how to operate that and how to click the photos and all that. They told that they will help Grandma in operating the mobile. Yes, now Grandma agreed and she became very happy and she thanked them. Yes, dear children, this is about the grandchildren, how they made their grandma happy. You too try to make your grandparents and parents happy by your actions. Okay? Now children, we will move to the exercise part. Look and say. Here some spellings are there. We have to read them properly. First one, H-A-S, has. H-A-S, has. B-E-E-N, bean. B-E-E-N, bean. Next, W-H-A-T, what. W-H-A-T, what. Next is D-I-D, did. D-I-D, did. F-O-R, for. F-O-R, for. T-O-D-A-Y, today. T-O-D-A-Y, today. H-E-R-E, here. H-E-R-E, E R E, here. U S, us. U S, us. Next one is S H E, she. S H E, she. Next is W E, we. W E, we. Next H O W, how. H O W, how. And the last one is P L E A S E, please. P L E A S E, please. Got this? Try to read this. Okay? Has been, what? Did, for, today, here, us, she, we, how, please. Got this? Next is answer the following questions. Dear children, here 4 questions are there. Very simple questions. Okay? First you have to read the questions. Then you have to understand the questions. Then you can answer the question. Okay? First one is, who are going to visit grandma and grandpa? Who are going to visit grandma and grandpa? Yes? You know the answer? Very good. Answer is Sohan and Sweetie are going to visit grandma and grandpa. This you have to write in full sentence. You know the answer, that Sohan and Sweetie. Correct? But you have to write the answer like this in full sentence. Sohan and Sweetie are going to visit grandma and grandpa. Okay? The next question is, who has been busy today? Yes, who was working? Yes, grandma. You are right. Grandma has been busy today. You know the answer, but try to write in full sentence. Okay? Next is third question. Where do grandpa, Sohan and Sweetie work? Yes, you are right. Answer is grandpa, Sohan and Sweetie work in kitchen. Isn't it? They work in kitchen and they made delicious dishes. Right? Last question. What is the surprise for grandma? Yes. You are right. Answer is a new mobile phone is the surprise for grandma. Thank you for your answers, but try to write in full sentence. Okay? Next is, who said the following? Here some dialogues are there. Okay? We have to decide, or we have to search, and we have to tell who said these dialogues. Number 1. Are you tired, grandma? Who asked this? Yes, Sohan asked this to his grandma. Here we will write Sohan said this. Only here it is asked who said the following. Sohan said this sentence. Are you tired, grandma? Right? Next. Come on, Sohan. Come on, sweetie. Who said this? Who called Sohan and Sweetie? Yes, correct. Grandpa. You are right. Grandpa said this. Next is, Oh, a mobile phone. Yes. When she became surprised, she said, Grandma said that, oh, a mobile phone, right? So here we will write answer. Grandma said this. Last one. But don't worry, we will all help you. Yes, correct. The grandchildren, that is Sohan and Sweetie, said this sentence. Right? Very good. Now we will move further. How can we keep the following clean? Yes, here you have to write how can we keep the given things clean. You know the meaning of cleanliness, right? Keeping clean means saaf suthra rakhna, right? First one, body. How will you keep your body clean? Yes, daily you do so many actions to keep your body clean, right? Okay, we will see here. First one, when you get up, you brush your teeth. You use toothbrush and toothpaste for this, isn't it? The morning first action is to clean the teeth, right? Then next you take bath, right? You use soap and water for taking bath. After bath, you dry your body with the help of towel, correct? Then afterwards, you wear the clean clothes, right? After wearing clothes, you go in front of the mirror and you comb your hair. You apply a talcum powder to your face, cream, something you put on your face, right? After that, sometimes you do this action. See this, trimming and cutting the dirty nails, right? Means this brushing, taking bath, wearing clean clothes, combing the hair, this we do daily. But trimming of nails we do sometimes, right? By this we can keep our body clean. If we remain clean, we will become healthy, isn't it? Next thing is clothes. Means how you keep your clothes clean. You want daily the clean clothes to wear after the bath, right? How you keep them clean? Yes, here you can see the picture. First, by washing with the help of the detergents or soap, by using machine or by using your hands, we can wash our clothes. I think this work your mummy does, right? Your mom washes your clothes by using detergents. Then after drying, she press it or she gives that one to the laundry. Then she folds that one properly and she keeps these in the cupboard. Right? Whenever necessary, she gives you the clean clothes. Isn't it? Like this, we can keep our clothes clean. By washing, after that by pressing, then by folding and keeping safely in the clean place. Isn't it? Next, how you will keep your home clean. Are you helping your mother to keep your home clean? If yes, it is very good. If no, then please try to help her. Okay, we will see. Yes, by sweeping and by mopping each and every room. Second thing is by wiping the glasses of the windows. Third thing, by arranging the things properly in proper places and dusting the furnitures. By all these things we can keep our home clean, isn't it? The last thing is how will you keep your school clean? Yes, dear children, school is your second house, right? Daily you go there to learn new things, to get the knowledge. Then it is necessary to keep your school clean, right? You can see here so many children, they are cleaning the classroom. See, a boy is wiping the window and the girl is sweeping the floor and some are helping them and other children they are arranging the bench, desk in proper way. Some are dusting, right? Like this we can keep our classroom clean as well as our school clean. We must keep our school surrounding clean, isn't it? Okay, like this we can keep all the things clean by following the different actions, right? Thank you, children.
Thank you very much for being a part of this lesson. Please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon to get new updated videos.